Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just Dublin in Aventa. Credit cards and the scammers. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Welcome, everybody. Good morning. I'm Bye Bye Money. And we are streaming live here every single day. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Trading the one and only Emini. Yes, you heard right. The Emini. We're trading futures here. Absolutely. Using Darrow dollars. Using only Darrow dollars here, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everyone. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Also, your location, if you feel comfortable doing so. Pandas. Forget about yesterday. The only thing that matters today is your next trade. Is your very next trade. That's all that matters, pandas. What matters is that we're going to do better than we did yesterday, pandas. Are you ready to make some of that bamboozles? You don't want to get bamboozled, sorry. Bamboo-roonies. Don't want to get bamboozled. We want to make bamboo, not get bamboozled, pandas. Let's get it. That's what we're doing today. Good morning, pandas. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, welcome, everybody. Oh, welcome. Thanks for joining, everyone. I appreciate every single person here. Top left of your screen, you can see where we're at on our journey. We're up 500. We're up like 1,000, but now we're up 500. Hopefully, we can get them out to Payout City soon, but we'll see. We shall see, pandas. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let me say good morning. A couple of my pandas here. Bill 7, good morning, panda. Scalp that like button. Hey, that panda emoticon, they definitely upgraded it. The panda emoticon before looked so weird. It looked like a rat. But now it's like an actual panda-looking panda. That's pretty cool. It looks better than my panda. Where's my panda at? My panda's more like 8-bit. My pandas are 8-bit. Emmanuel Martinez, good morning. Blacklight, welcome. FZN, welcome. Lou the Right, good morning. Dom T, welcome. Some of the Rockies, good morning. Charles Wilson, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Quick look, weekly chart. We are printing a strong bull candle on the weekly chart right now. This could simply just been a bounce off the 20 EMA on the weekly. Daily chart, though, we're still not in the clear. We're still beneath the 20 EMA. And, it's our first test, possibly on the 20 EMA on this downtrend or this pullback. And this will really kind of help us see if this is going to be a downtrend or just a pullback in this strong uptrend. It's a deep pullback, don't get me wrong, but it's a healthy pullback in the weekly chart. Typically what we wait for is this move. It's the two-legged pullback. What else can we say? So with that being said, pandas, I'm not sure what's going to happen today. Today might be one of those pause days. We just pause, and I don't pause just because I'm a panda. But what I'm saying is that we can hang out here, break down, and go back up to make the two-leg pullback, or we can go all the way up and just test the 20 EMA right now. I'm not sure, pandas, but the 20 EMA just seems like it's something it wants to test. So we shall see. It could be just another. Yesterday was weird, pandas. What can I say? Yesterday was weird. It was like a bull trend, but choppy. Basically, the whole day was a spike in channel. That's all. The whole entire day was a spike in channel. It usually doesn't happen like that. Usually, it doesn't look like that. But that's what happened. The market never ceases to amaze me. Just a spike in channel the entire day, but very difficult to trade, in my opinion, this channel here. Right, you have about several hours, about 2 hours of this, and that's not easy for me to trade in any sense. So I mean that's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. We shall see. No news today, pandas, but we have news tomorrow and also on Friday, panda. So please be aware. If you want to know what news that I think is going to be big enough that you can make or break your accounts, your evals, that means in one single trade you can pass your evals. Basically, trade max contracts, choose a direction, and then you have a high chance of getting funded, especially with this 1 day to pass deal. It's very nice. Trap. And 80% off, of course, with using code BBM. So tomorrow we have advanced GDP at 8:30 a.m. and unemployment claims. Jerome Powell said that they're gonna be more. They're gonna really take the job market. They're gonna take that information and consider it, especially when it comes to interest rates. So it might move the market smart 8:30. I think it's more. I think it's better to wait for Friday 8:30. That is probably the biggest one that I can think of from the next 2 days. But 8:30 you have advanced GDP and unemployment claims coming together, so it could really move the markets. If I had to choose one or the other, I would choose a core PC because that's directly to do with inflation. But it's up to you, pandas. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do. We got a triangle looking thing here currently. Let's see what happens here. I may just take the 10,000 tick trap trade here immediately. Market's about to open, pandas. 5 minutes. 5.5 minutes. I'm about to take this trap trade, pandas. I'm about to take this trap trade. There's a second entry short on the 2,000 tick chart, but I want to wait for the actual trap on the 10,000 tick chart. I don't want to take the second entry short. One reason is because we got big down, big up, big down, so could easily be a triangle here. Speedy boy speaking all Russian on me, getting all Russian. Tell me inside we could possibly. Jeffrey Hall, welcome. Moashi, welcome. Alright, pandas, what's gonna happen here? What's happening? If we get a trap on the 10K chart, it could be one of those days where we literally, because this is so weak that we could have a downtrend the entire day. That could very possibly be the case. I wouldn't even be surprised. I've seen it happen many times before. Strong bull move, and then the next day it's a strong bear move. It happens. It happens more than you think. Okay, second entry short. Just because of the potential triangle, I'm not interested. Hugh says, I have some humble pie to eat today. I finally received my Apex payout literally on the last business day. Hey, they kept their word. They kept their word. It's good news, though. It's good news. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you doubt Apex? Daryl is watching you. But congrats. I'm glad you got it. That gives us all a sigh of relief, so appreciate the update. I have to ask, Pandas, and I usually don't like doing this, but do you guys know what's happening with Alpine? Can anyone fill me in on the Alpine situation? I don't like giving other streamers shout outs like that, but I mean, I have nothing against them. I watch Alpine. What's happening? Oh, if you don't know what's happening, then I guess nothing's happening. I just heard some things. I heard some things. I'm just curious. Yeah, that's what I heard. He has like a strat that apparently makes him a lot of money, but he doesn't share with anyone. But he streams, so I don't understand. I don't understand why he's streaming. But I think someone like trying to figure it out, and then like there's drama now, and he's trying to. And I think also like it might be alerting like Apex, because the strat's like I think somehow gaming the system. Yeah, that's what I heard. Market just open, Pandas. This triangle is coming to fruition here. Opening range breakout trade is what he takes. He's worried he'll get banned. Yeah. So this is what I heard. He's scared to show it and lose it if Apex catches win. I see, I see, I see. Makes sense. I mean, if the strategy works, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, in my opinion. If he can consistently make money with it, I just don't understand. A6B9 says, I bought some Tesla calls. Up $1,000 today. Ooh, our triangle's about to break here. Okay. I guess I'll take a trap trade here, maybe. I don't know. I guess I should go long? I'll take the trap, but I should go long here. It's bouncing off my triangle perfectly here. It is like bouncing off my triangle perfectly here. Let's see what happens. I like the risk reward here. Obviously there's a support here, but if we can break through it, fill the gap on the daily chart or on the 5-minute chart in this trade, might be worth reversing this trade if it goes against me. I could potentially do the swing trade, but I'll just take the hit and then re-enter again if it does give me another push down. Creates a second entry short possibly here. It's gonna get me. Bouncing off my support. The triangle is quite strong. I'm gonna try to attempt again on a second entry short here. If we do get it. With a good signal bar. It does tick shot me, which is annoying, but it is what it is. I'll try it again. The risk was 1, 2.5 points. Oh, that's a bad looking signal bar. No, thank you. This is why you just get out when you get hit. Just hold the proper stop losses. We're down a little bit today, but pandas, it's gonna be all good. Don't worry. Don't worry, pandas. Second edge is short, but it's above the 20 MA. Definitely more sus now.
10,000 tick trap.
Definitely can't take it now. Especially when you got just triangle, right? You gotta just look out for this triangle right now. That's all that matters in my opinion. Look at the 10,000 tick chart. It's just so obvious we're just in this big triangle. 10,000 tick chart makes it even more obvious. It's like the market is making it, like blaring their alarm saying we got a triangle. I should have just gone long, huh? The bottom of the triangle. Darn. Darn it. Hindsight is 2020. Is that close enough to the top of the triangle? You could say so. Ooh, now that's a good looking signal bar. The risk is quite large. It's a nice looking signal bar. The risk is quite large and it's above the 20 MA. It doesn't quite touch the resistance yet. It doesn't quite touch the top of the triangle. So it might be still wanting here. Unfinished business. But we got lower highs and higher lows. Definition of a triangle. Does anyone know the difference between a wedge and a triangle? Does anyone know the difference between a pattern that looks like this versus a pattern that looks like this? Ooh, trap does trigger here. I don't like it obviously because we're at the top of the triangle. It might be the same situation as this where you take the opposite of the trap. I may take it. I'm gonna take a failed trap here. Looks like this trap works out beautifully. Woo! Okay. Very cool. Comes back to the top of the trading range. Both look like cheese. Exactly. That's the difference. They both look like cheese. Not only did you give me a ridiculous answer, the answer doesn't even answer the question. Or the answer doesn't even, the answer doesn't answer the question. The answer doesn't answer. The answer does not answer. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 10,000 tick chart. Top of the trading range on the trading range indicator. Sorry. Top of the trading range. Ending on its high. Top of the trading range indicator. Quite possibly. 5-minute chart. Just bull bar, huh? Alright. Alright. Daily chart. We're close to the 20 EMA. We're about maybe 20 points. Yeah, about 20 points here. 51.46. I'm gonna mark that on my charts. Daily chart. 51.46. This is the daily chart 20 EMA. Daily chart 20 EMA. Daily chart 20 EMA. Wait, it's wrong. Daily chart 20 EMA. That could be relevant soon. Very soon. I mean, if this is a triangle, it's breaking to the upside currently. Will it be a successful breakout? I don't know. Will it be successful, cheese? Okay. Keeps pushing up here. It's getting very sideways right now. Gotta sit on my paws. The reason why I took this trade is because of the potential what this could have been. This could have been a really big reversal. The fact that it doesn't trigger makes me feel like the opposite is going to happen. But we'll see here. I don't know. Uncertain.
10,000 tick trap.
Good morning, my pants. Make sure you scalp that like button. Also, make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Appreciate it. Mr. Bobo, good morning. Okay. Everything looks green to me. Everything looks bullish. We're breaking out of the triangle here. Hits the top of the trading range on the 10,000 tick chart. Even if I wanted to go long, I have no setup. I can't go long in the cluster of candles here.
$10,000 tick trap.
Okay. What's happening here? Breaking out of this triangle, but will it actually make like a measured move of some sort? Am I looking to go long here, or am I looking to go short here, pandas? Not sure, pandas. You can call this a hidden second entry long here, right? It makes a two-legged move. It just doesn't actually. It's not technically a two-legged pullback though. You need to break the previous candle's high here, for it to trigger that first entry. It never does so, but you can see the movement is a second entry long. I really want to go short here though. I don't know. This could be one of those days it just floats up forever. The problem is on the left side, we're still like contained within this range. This could be a second entry, triggering the second pullback on the second entry long. This is a hidden trap as well, right? Because you got a hidden second entry long, this is a hidden trap. I guess you could say you're still looking for a new high. in this series. Or you could say this is break a trend to new high and look for a reversal. What is happening?
$10,000 tick trap.
Like I says, have you guys ever been at a job and everyone's doing their part except one guy who's slacking hard and gets away with it all the time? That's how I feel about some traders, and it's frustrating. You know what? What you get here is 100% the real thing. You know, you'll see some failures, you see some successes. You'll see it all. You shall see it all. Top of the trading range. Let's go short here. It's a decent signal bar to go long. It's hard to go short against this right now. I like my risk reward here. Decent risk reward coming back to the bottom of the trading range. Down here. 5 minute also filling the gap. Alright, quickly, 5 minutes. There's a gap here. Looks sus. Getting overlappy. Getting choppy. Alright, we're in. Our fate is sealed, pandas. Go big or go home. And it looks like it's gonna get me on this trap again. Top of the trading range. Think it'll come back down. You can look for a new high easily here. Depends on how you draw this trend line. Either like this or like this. Looks like it's gonna get me out. It's gonna tag me out here. Almost want to go long. Almost want to reverse it, but I'm not going to. Almost want to reverse my trade, but I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna do it. Takes me out. 2 losses in a row, pandas. One at the top of the trading range, coming back to the bottom. One at a breakout area. It's just one of those days, pandas. Just one of those days, yeah. But with the proper risk reward or proper risk management, we can recover from this. I guess at the end, it was not break a trend to new high. This is first breaker trend, making new high here. Whew! I don't know. Yes, I got you short here now, but looking for a new high before any other move. Thinking there'd be sellers above here. I could take a risk and try to sell up here. It is quite a risk. Maybe I could try. Maybe I could try. Looks like people are already trying to do just that. Thinking we're in trading range. New high is created here. It almost feels like it wants to test this high. That's what it feels like. It wants to test this high. That's what it feels like. Right, it's kind of creating like strong move and then a small pullback and another strong move. That's what feels like is happening. Right, this pullback is not strong. Huh. You said that's the second entry long, higher, low, confirming. Yeah. Really just depends on how you draw this. Okay, pushing down now. We may get our trading range now. We'll see. 5-minute chart. This is what it looks like. It's a bunch of dojis. This is why I want to sell up here, because we saw this big doji thinking seller is above. Okay. Decent pushback down inside bar. I'm thinking trading range, so I'm trying to reverse it here, but I'm trying to find a good setup for it. I'm not sure where it is. 10,000 tick chart looks like it's in a limit order market, right? Just limit orders. Buy beneath here, 1 tick beneath the previous candle's low. Buy above the previous pivot high, or sell above. Even with the move down here, it's hard to enter because we don't have a setup.
$10,000 tick trap.
If I'm really eager, I could pretty much sell anywhere here, thinking we're gonna come down here. If I'm really eager to go short at the top of the trading range. There's a lower high set up here. It's usually not strong enough. Your best setup is a fail second entry long. Another one. The question is, will the market give it to you? Probably not. Right, when it's a really good setup, market probably teases you about it, but doesn't actually give you the setup. Yeah, so I want to reverse up here, top of the trading range, right? Trading range indicator. That's why I try to reverse it here, but I was a little too early. Got one more push up, and then it reversed, but unfortunately no setup for it. So we got a good setup, doesn't work, and now when you don't get a setup, it goes and works. This is the type of market we're in right now. Like I mentioned, I probably could have sold anywhere in this area and felt safe, right? I could have sold anywhere in this area and felt safe to enter in. So now it's really going down. And it's gonna go down without us. It's a fail breakout, right? It's a breakout, fail breakout of this triangle, big triangle. It's unfortunate, like when we got the setup, it doesn't work out, and then when it works out, we don't get a setup. But like I mentioned, I would have felt safe to sell anywhere here. Just it's not really part of the strategy right now. It is what it is. I mean, pretty much called this move down. Just wanted a good setup to it. I've been burned many times of like not waiting for my setup, and and because I didn't wait for my setup, I get burned. So I just better safe than sorry type situation here. We do got trap now forming, but it's way too far down. Unless I really think this is gonna go down. I could try. Silly though. We're at the bottom of the trading range clearly, and we're not near any resistance. This is gonna hurt. I'll tell you right now, this is definitely gonna hurt. I'm eager to go short though. Risk is small. Reward is decent. It's pretty much a 2-to-1. Reward is decent here. Yeah, I knew it was gonna hurt. I keep going these traps, and the traps are all failing on me. Yeah, again, it's gonna get me. And they're always outside bars. So many outside bars. Jeez. It's 3 in a row. I knew that was gonna hurt. I'm gonna try to go short again though. I'm gonna short again one more time here. It'd be nice to get a second entry short here. Right, we got a strong push down, looking for another leg down. I would like it if we get the fail the second entry short here. Might tease at it, but might not give it to us. It might be like an inside bar or something weird. Yeah, I mean, I took it. I knew it was silly. I was just super eager. I had like a little bit of FOMO here. I'll attempt it again here, inside bar. This one might hurt as well. It's not the best setup. There's lots of overlapping bars here. Again, I should have waited for the true second entry short, but I'm eager to enter. This is a hidden second entry short here. I usually don't take these, but I'm gonna take it today. I'm about to get tilted, pandas. I'm about to get tilted. I could have just waited for the setup, huh? Jeez, it's gonna get me. I should just waited for my setup. This is what I get for being impatient. Right, strong bear bar. I felt like, all right, let's enter in. Little too, I'm eager to go short here, and instead it does pop back up. We might get our setup still. I don't know. I'll try double here. Let's see what happens. Clear stop loss here. Let's see if we can get double here. I think the risk is worth. It's a second entry short now. Doesn't quite touch the 20 May, and of course reverses on me immediately. Jeez. Louise. This is bad. It is what it is though. Maybe we'll get a nice push down here. We'll see. It looks like strong push down. It looks like it wants one more push down, right? That's what it looks like to me, at least. It wants one more push down here. Plus filling the gap on the 5-minute chart. That's what I'm aiming for. We'll see if we get it, though. Problem is, it might, like, wiggle here for a little bit. It might take me out. It's so choppy, super sideways. Unfortunately, it might take me out here. It looks like it wants to. Yep, definitely looks like it wants to take me out here now. What in the world, pandas? I'm shocked I'm alive. I'm shocked I'm still alive, pandas. I'm absolutely bewildered. Calculated stop loss. Goodness gracious, what in the world's happening? How am I still alive? How am I still alive, pandas? It's not gonna last very long, but how was I still alive? How did I even survive this? What in the world's happening, pandas? How am I still alive? What in the world, pandas? How am I still alive? What in the world? How many overlapping bars can you get? Why is it that when the opening hour always has price action like this? Why can't we just get clear? Pandas! It's a miracle. It's a modern day miracle. No, it's not. I thought it was. But it just... It gives me hope and then takes it away. It just gives me hopes and takes it away right away. What in the world is happening, pandas? Why would it do that? Why would it come all the way back down just to take away all my hope? Pandas. The market is a cruel, cruel place. It's a cruel, cruel world out there. Goodness gracious, why is it doing this? Why can't we just get clean price action for once? Why does it have to give me 20,000 overlapping bars in a row right when I enter a trade? Pandas, can we just get good clean price action for once, please? Goodness gracious, and take me out right here. I don't know how I'm still alive. I don't know how I'm still alive. As long as if it breaks above, it's certain death. If it breaks above the previous candle's high, it's certain death. Pandas, what in the world's happening? How am I still alive? This is actually incredible. I'm getting bamboozled. I'm not getting bamboo. I'm getting bamboozled for sure. What in the world? How many overlapping bars can you make? Jeez, what in the world is this? All I know is I have a clear stop loss of 3 points. I'll just take the hit and move on with my life. Goodness gracious, inside bar. Certain death if it breaks above. Certain death if it breaks above the previous candle's high. Certain death, panda. Certain death, and I'm dead. What in the world, pandas? Why can't we just get clean price action? Why does it always have to look like this? What in the world's going on? Oh my gosh. Today is not the day, pandas. Today is simply not the day. What in the world was that nonsense, pandas? What in the world was that nonsense? Just stay away from the charts today, pandas. It got me. I was in a double position too because of the second entry short triggering. What in the world? What's going on right now? It's absolutely incredible. It's disgusting. It's just sick. It makes me want to throw up. It makes me want to just puke. What in the world's happening? Pandas. It is what it is, pandas. I looked at that trade in the face. I stared my stop loss. I stared death in the eyes. And I said, take me out. Take me out if you're going to do it. Do it already. What in the world is this type of price action? What is going on? I'll just stay away from the charts now. Look at how many overlapping. What in the world is this nastiness? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bars. Undecided. Absolutely sick. It's just sick. So sick. What in the world? The 5-minute now looks bullish, right? We're having a hard time breaking beneath the 20 MA. It looks bullish now. Looks like it wants to go up. Looks like the 20 MA made itself clear that I'm going to be support today. That might be all you get as a pullback. We might just have a strong uptrend day for the rest of the day. Who knows? But price action that looks like this, pandas, it's tough. I mean, I stay away from days like this. We do have big news tomorrow, so I don't know. I don't know, pandas. I just don't know. Sick. This is sick. Absolutely sick. The moment you enter a trade, the market decides just to go full blown. Almost says something very not PC, but you know what I mean. Full blown. Don't ever go full. I'm just quoting Tropic Thunder. I'm quoting Robert Downey Jr. Don't ever go full. Fill in the blank. And this is what just happened. Just got Tropic Thundered. It is what it is, man. You know what? I'm proud of myself today. I took the proper stop losses. I just took the hit and moved on. I thought yesterday was bad. Today is worse, in my opinion. What in the world? Let's go short for kicks and giggles. I'm reading everything wrong. I'm reading everything wrong. Should I just go long here? I mean, we're still in the trading range, so it doesn't make sense to go long. But the 5-minute chart looks bullish, right? It makes a double bottom on the 5-minute chart, and it could, I don't know, it could really launch here. I don't know. Huh. Truly a mystery of the universe right now. Never go full relapse. Never go full distribution. Never go full never go full reset. Not bad, not bad. Never go full retro. Or never go full retro. Tough day, tough day. What in the world is this nonsense here? Stay away from the charts. Step away from the charts, Panda. Step away. Goodness gracious, what is this nonsense? It's not getting any better. Truly, it's not. Feeling it, Pandas. Surely feeling it. Oh, a couple big hits today. Not really big hits, just a bunch of paper cuts. Death by 1,000 paper cuts type situation. Wowzers. Just wowzers. It still seems to be like some sort of triangle forming here. Or could have been literally like a breakout, breakout to fail, breakout to another. I don't know. Comes right back down, huh? I mean, this trading range seems true. Houston wins the next all-day stream. I want to do it. Those are always really fun. Pure limit order market right now on the 5K or the 5-minute chart. It's right back down. Jeez. Wow. This is incredible. Might fill the gap now. Who knows? The most frustrating thing about days like this is that there's just no entries. Right? Big move up, big move down, no entries. Big move up, big move down, no entries. Hmm. Pushing to fill the gap now. 5-minute chart. There's a gap here trying to fill. I don't know. I'll take another trap. I'll try. Second entry long, maybe on the 5-minute chart. It'll be triple bottom. Triple bottom on the 5-minute chart. See how many more paper cuts I can take today, pandas. See how tilted I can get. I'm gonna try to fill this gap here.
Target filled.
I don't like it. Give me a real setup. Preferably on a higher time frame. That was my first positive trade today, Pandas. Out of like 4 trades. Out of 3 trades. I guess 1 trade was like doubled. Second just short. Sure, why not? Is it really gonna be one of those perfect range days? Ah, it could be. No way I'm taking an outside bar reversal here. So overlapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. Very confusing. Second entry short. Bottom of a trading range. That's the main problem, though. The risk is not as small as I like it. It's about 3.5 points. Decent follow through bar here. I'm feeling it, Pandas. I'm feeling it. I'll tell you right now, I'm feeling the tilt. I can literally feel myself tilting over. Oh, I'm tilting. I should just go short here. Where my stop loss is, I should be going short with a limit order. That's why this is painful, because I feel like I should be going short here. Let's take the hit. Move on. Yeah. It's not my day. It's not my type of day of trading. These super strong trading range days. Very tough for me. Second entry long about a trigger on the 5-minute chart. Oof. I mean, when that triggers, I'm out. It is what it is. I'll probably take the trap on the 5-minute. This is so frustrating. Ah, Pandas. Triple bottom, huh?
1000 tick trap.
My last trade of the day will be a 5-minute trap trade. If it triggers, I'll take it. That'll be my last trade of the day. It might go all the way back up. It just creates a nice big trading range. I mean, that's probably the simplest explanation of what's happening today. It's a big old trading range. I'm so like tuned in and filling this gap. I tried 3 times here. So tuned in to fill this gap here.
10,000 tick trap.
I don't know, man. That's what it is. Last trade of the day. Right here. It's a big risk. That's the main problem, though. The risk is big if I take it. The higher low actually looks decent on the 2000 tick. The higher low looks decent on 2000 tick. It doesn't tick has a higher low here. It's outside bar reversal though. $10,000 tick also showing a trap trade, possibly. Whoo! It's unbelievable. When you get a move down like this, I mean, I guess this is the measure move. Oh, I didn't even look at this, pandas. It doesn't quite hit it, but it's close. Big old trading range. Last trade of the day. Whew.
$10,000 tick trap.
10,000 tick trap. For me, if it breaks here, it's like gonna fill the gap. If it goes beneath this area. So I'm thinking. Of course, I could be wrong. Do not copy my trades, pandas. $2,000 tick trap. Five-minute trap. 2,000 tick trap here. Do not copy my trades on full tilt.
5-minute trap.
5-minute trap. Triggers a trap on the 2,000 tick. Of course, reverses immediately. But I triggered a 5-minute trap. In this trade. Looking to fill the gap here. The market is a mean mistress. Trying to fill the gap here. 5-minute chart. One, two, three, 4 attempts. Pandas, I don't know. It is what it is. It's my last trade. Woo! Oh! Oh! Don't take me out, please. No, don't take me out, break even. Don't do it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare take me out, break even. Oh my pandas. I hate this market. Pandas, I hate this market. Ah! Ah! Pandas! Ah! I hate this market. I truly hate this market. I hate this market, pandas. What in the world? Why? Just why? Misses it by one single tick. Reverses, takes me out, break even. I can't hold it past that. I can't hold it past that, pandas. I cannot hold it past that. It is what it is now. Whatever happens, happens. I'm out. Ah, pandas. I can't hold past it. I can't. It bounces right off of it. I can't hold past it. I gotta take a break even. It's too much risk. Way too much risk for me. And that was my chance, right? I cannot hold past that. It's just too much risk. Jeez. Pandas, why does it bounce like that? It's so frustrating. Takes me out break even, essentially. Ah. Now it comes down and fills, like, now it comes down. Now it comes down again and fills the gap probably here. Pandas, I'm so sorry. I'm so frustrated. I'm so frustrated, pandas. Why does it do that? Why does it do that? It's so frustrating. Missed it by one single tick. Reverse. It takes me out break even. I'm holding too much risk. I can't go more than that. And finally, after it takes me out break even, it comes right back down to my target. Pandas, any more frustrating things can happen today? I don't think so. I'm fully tilted. I even moved my stop loss. I moved my target one tick, and there it didn't come back down. It just violently bounced off of the area. Pandas, I can't handle it. Oh, pandas! I hate when it does that, pandas. It missed it by one single tick, takes me out break even, and now it's just doing nothing right now. Whoo! Pretty much sums up today. Pretty much something. I was pretty sure I was in the green too on that trade. That would have brought my accounts basically back plus more. I can't handle it though. I can't take that risk. It's just too much. I'm down 700 pandas, but it's all good. You know, we're down a little bit. We live to fight another day. We come out break even on that trade, even though it looks like it's gonna work out now. But it is what it is, pandas. I just can't hold it past that much risk. I can't hold that much risk. I can't hold that much risk and see it bounce off my target like that. I can't do it. Now it goes back down. This, pandas, the market is a mean mistress. I'll just say that right now. It's vicious. And it will do whatever it can to shake you out. I mean, obviously people took their profits one tick before. They took their profits, but the strong bear stayed in and they said, you know, we're going to fill the gap anyways. Keep selling, keep selling. Ends up filling the gap eventually. And it is what it is, pandas. We finally hit our target. I just couldn't handle the bounce. I couldn't handle this big bounce like that. It's not something that I'm willing to do, especially when I was in 8 contracts. I was almost max contracts in that trade, and I was looking for a 4-point swing with max contracts, which is like $2,000. So I just couldn't handle. I couldn't handle the swing. Couldn't do it. And then my threshold is only like $1,000 now. Jeez, pandas. I was like max contracts almost. Whoo! Tomorrow will be a better day. I just can't handle this market. It's way too choppy for me. It's just way too choppy, way too uncertain. I was just worried that, we're in a trading range. It might come all the way back up to the top of the trading range. It's just too much. Too much, pandas. It's just, I can't handle it. It's too much for me. It is what it is, though. I've been burned so many times already. Got hit so many times. Now it's just flushing. Oh, pandas. Woo. All right, pandas. It could have been worse. It could have been worse. Let's just say this, pandas. It could have been worse. Let's say I didn't come out break even, and then just reverse all the way up and just rips and just bust all my accounts. It could have been worse. It could have been worse, pandas. Let's just look at the bright side for once. Can you believe it, pandas? We're still alive. Oh, man. This is just... It's just, it is what it is, pandas. It is what it is. Whew. Maximum tilt. Maximum tilt. Full emotions trading. That's my strategy. Full emotional trading. I mean, everything about the trades made sense, right? 10,000 tick trap trigger. That's why I entered. 5-minute trap trigger. That's why I entered. 2,000 tick trap trigger. That's why I entered. I was in 3 contracts because of all 3 setups happening. And then finally, 5-minute chart. I said, well, for about 2 points away, I'm going to enter in. And it was just too much, Panda. It was just too much. Couldn't do it. Now this thing's flushing. This finally just shows a direction after it chops me up and spits me out, pandas. It is what it is. This is what true trading looks like. This is what true trading looks like. It's just vicious. The market is a cruel mistress. I'll just say that right now. Whoo! Maximum tilt, pandas. Maximum tilt. I'm done. I'm done for today. I cannot handle anymore. I know my next trade, I'm either going to bust my accounts or bring my accounts back to deep green. It's one or the other, and I don't want to risk it. I'd rather have a good head on my shoulders when I trade, and I will come back. I'll come back. Pandas! Whoo! Why does it bounce like this? Strong bear bar, strong bull bar. Why? What is that? Why does it do that? I gotta really figure out why it does stuff like that. I gotta figure out why it does that and how to find out when it does that, when it will be a fake bounce or a real bounce. I gotta figure out better ways to do it other than my pure emotions. I gotta figure out a different way. Too tough, pandas. It's too tough for me. It's really too tough for me. Jeez. Whew. All right, pandas. I'm done for today. I can't handle it. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hopefully my counts are still here and still well alive. Let's see. Let's hope so, pandas. Let's hope so. But pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Make sure you guys trade safe and don't go on tilt like me. I'll see you guys bright and early, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. And until then, pandas. Whoo! Stay upright. Stay upright. Don't go on tilt. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.